Good morning and a warm welcome dear students. Today we will continue with the same lesson Safety and First Aid in EVS. In the last lesson in EVS we have learned about the rules of the road and the traffic signal and the zebra crossing and first aid. Today we are going to learn what is first aid. First aid is the help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Now the first aid means the help that is given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Now there are different first aids. How to give first aid? How you are going to give the first aid to a patient, to a person? First aid can be given in many cases. Now when you talk about first aid can be given in many cases. We have seen Rohan had cut his finger in the last lesson and his mother covered the wound with a clean piece of cloth in order to avoid the flow of blood. So today we will see person with high fever. What first aid can be given to a person with high fever? Can you see the person lying down here with high fever? Yes. So what first aid should be given to this person? We should use wet pieces of cloth on the patient's forehead. We have to take clean water, dip a piece of cloth in that and keep on the person's forehead. And you have to keep on changing these pieces of cloth now and then. Maybe after every 10 minutes you have to keep on changing the pieces of cloth. And if you give this first aid to the person with high fever, immediately the fever comes down. Person rescued from drowning. Drowning means to get drowned in water. So a person who is removed out of the water is rescued from drowning. What first aid should be given to such person? We should make the person lie down with his back upwards. Can you see? His back is upwards. Back should be towards you. We should press his back. Then you have to press his back. The water in his stomach will flow out of his mouth. And as you press the back, the water that is collected in the mouth, in the stomach, will come out of his mouth. Person with burns. Suppose a person is burnt. What can be done? The burnt part should be dipped into ice cold water. Suppose while cooking, your mummy burns a finger. What can be done? She has to dip her finger into ice cold water. That means into the cold water. So you can add the cubes of ice into the water. We should cover the wounds with wet, clean cloth. And if a person is severely burnt, you can cover the wounds with wet, not with the dry but with the wet, clean cloth. If his clothes are burning, cover his body with a blanket. Yes, this is very important. And suppose if his clothes are burning, then immediately you have to cover his body with a blanket. So a man is holding a blanket in his hand to cover his body. Make him roll on the ground. If the blanket is not available, immediately ask the person to lie on the ground and roll on the ground. The burns can be treated with cold water, and the burns can be treated with cold water. You have to pour cold water on the burnt part. The burnt part should be fully dipped in ice cold water. As I had explained you before, the burnt part should be fully dipped in ice cold water. Next is person with snake bite. Person with snake bite. We should bind the affected part tightly. Now if suppose the snake has bitten you on this part, what you have to do, you have to bind, you have to tie the affected part tightly with a string. With a string you have to tie the affected part. And why you have to do this? In order to check the flow of poison in the blood. That means to stop the flow of poison into the blood, because as you know, blood keeps on moving in your body. Circulation is on, continuously on. So along with the blood, the poison will also enter your body. In order to stop that, we have to bind, we have to tie the affected part tightly. And as you know, first aid is very important. That is why we have to keep a first aid box at home. Now what is first aid box? First aid box is just a box with some medicines in it, and such box is called as a first aid box. Now what does this box contain? This box contains iodine, Bernol, adhesive tape and bandages. Now this Bernol is used for the burnt part. Adhesive tapes if you have a cut. Even the bandages are used for that. This box also contains some other medicines. Now this box also contains some other medicines like soframycin, Dettol, etc. etc. So many medicines. These medicines give quick relief, and such medicines give us quick relief. First aid gives some relief to the injured. Now why the first aid is given to the injured person? Because it gives them some relief. If you have fever, okay, you take a tablet and after some time you feel better. That is relief. It helps the doctor too. And if you give first aid to the patient, it also helps the doctor. It becomes easier for the doctor to treat the patient. Now suppose if you get a cut, if you cut your finger and then the blood is stopped by tying a piece of cloth on it, then it helps the doctor to treat the patient, okay, because the flow of blood has already stopped. Most injury or burn cases need first aid at once, and most of the injuries or burn need first aid at once, and that is why first aid is very important, and it is very essential to keep the first aid box in your house. Children, now we are going to see question number 3 and 4 of this lesson. We have completed question number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, match the column. Now question number 3, write true or false. We should not play with sharp things. And the answer is very good. It is true. We should touch live electric wires barefooted. No, it is false. First aid is real aid to a doctor. No, it is false. We should always skip to the right. It is false. We should always skip to the left. Yellow light at crossings is a warning for starting and stopping. Yes, it is true. Next question. Answer the following. Why should we follow traffic rules? The answer is we should follow traffic rules for safety. Number 2. What do you understand by first aid? First aid is the help given to an injured or sick person before the doctor arrives. Number 3. What does a first aid box contain? Name any 4 things. Answer is a first aid box contains iodine, Bernol, adhesive tape and bandages. Number 4. How can we give first aid to a person with high fever? We should use wet pieces of cloth on the forehead of a person with high fever. Number 5. How can we give first aid to a person with snake bite? We should bind the affected part tightly of a person with snake bite. What first aid can be given to a man rescued from drowning? We should make the person lie down with his back upwards. We should press his back. Children, copy question number 3 and 4 in your EVS notebook. Thank you, children.